I loved it. It was great.
It was amazing.
Oh, it's awesome.
This is Business Networking Pickup Lines. We're going to do a series of exercises.
I love the interacting with each other.
Interaction.
Gives people a platform where they can learn how to connect with each other.
Usually when you go to networking, they just sit you down in a space, and you don't really associate or talk to people.
The do's, the don'ts.
What I should do and what I should not do.
When you start darting your eyes, you lose trust from the audience in a big, big way.
I enjoyed having games to get us engaged.
Be aware of other people. Try not to hit them.
It's definitely different than kind of other networking events I've been to.
I like eating.
Oh,
That's everybody.
we all like eating.
There was no time for note taking because you actually got to put into use what you were doing, so I found it very, very useful.
And just to get that repertoire of different techniques is helpful to see which works for you.
The event was great. It made me feel good.